Joining the gang of Google, Alexa, Siri is our Cherry. Cherrybot really helps the work get done. It is extremely useful when you want to have a touchless interface to intelligent task management. It has many applications and especially useful when we are looking at an industrial use case. Have a glimpse at this video.
Open IOP Task Management.
Opening the IOP Task Management. There are 6 tasks on your name, 1 tasks are in progress state, 5 tasks are in assigned state.
Open First Task.
Opening the first task. Task location is Linhart. Classification is operations. Subclassification is packing change out.
Not only does Cherrybot provide a voice-based user interface, it is a smart bot that allows me to chat with Intelligent Task Management app. Through Cherrybot, I can automate my tasks. I can ask Cherrybot to fetch me details and suggestions on what actions I need to perform on my task. For example, before I approve a high-value purchase request, I want to see the trend of the performance of this vendor. I can ask Cherrybot to fetch this for me. Based on the details that Cherrybot gives me, I can decide whether I want to approve this purchase request or not. It is really like a cherry on the cake. Cherrybot in Intelligent Task Management.